morning guys. Ito naman kami nito ay walking kami dito sa may Don Miguel Road. Dahil bukas mo naman yung pasok ko. So libre tayo ngayon. Yan siya. Masunuran din ang aso na ito. Marunong din. Pag alam na niya na may sasakyan, tumatabi rin. Kumunot Troy. Huminto rin. Aggressive lang siya kung may makita ng mga aso. Talagang humihinto at saka binabantayan niya. Naman. Dito lang muna kami nag-walking dahil hindi ko siya madala sa bana. Pinapaayos ko pa kasi yung sasakyan ko dahil pag maglakad kami papunta sa sabana, ang daming mga malalaking aso. So dito lang muna kami pansamantala. Maayos na yung sasakyan ko at saka kami pupunta doon back to normal. Hindi ko rin madala-dala sa trabaho ko ito dahil walang masakyan. Okay. Umaga kami nag-walking dito dahil kunti lang yung sasakyan. Pero pag mga tanghali na, mga lasutsunan, marami ng sasakyan. So dito lang naman kami bumalik-balik para lang maka-walking siya dahil pag umaga talagang nakatunganga Kilos ko lang yung binabantayan niya. Pag magbihis na ako, tatalon-talon na yan. Alam na lalakad na kami. So babalik na kami. Sa kabila naman kami. Mga 2 ikot lang dito. Mahilig kumain ng mga damo-damo. Back. Here. Come. Have to go back. sawa na rin sa kababalik-balik dito to. Kumakain ng mga damo-damo, ng mga dahon, ng mga susuka niya rin to mamaya. Pinabayaan ko lang niya kumakain siya ng mga dahon-dahon at saka damo-damo dahil ugali ng mga aso yan eh. Pag mayroon silang pakiramdam, parang herbal medicine nila yan. Mamaya susukuan niya rin yun. Para bang stomach cleansing o. Uy, dami yung kinain ah. What's that, Troy? That's too much, Troy ah. Troy, let's go. Go, that's enough. Enough, let's go. 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 Enough. Go. Yung mga ganitong mga damo, yan kinakain nyo. Go. Maraming mga maliliit na aso dito. Kaso lang siguro sa loob pa ng bahay nila. Bugo. Go. Taka. Ay, hindi. 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 Kala ko si Tucker yung pusa ko na nawala. Come, come. Here, here. Go. Keep moving. Here, here, here. Here, 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 here. That's dirty there. Here, here. Bumalik yun. Gustong bumalik. Here, here. Bak, bak, bak. Here, here. Kabak, kabak kayo. Go, go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go. Dito lang naman kami pabalik-balik. Yeah. Ah! No, 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 no. Mahilig mag-usisa ng mga basurahan. Ay, aso talaga. Ano? You know somebody really inside? Let's go. Go back, go back. Go, 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 go. Ah. Come, 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 come. 15 minutes walking is enough. Yeah, nice dog. Yeah, nice dog. Every time I bring him in Sabana, in Sabana in Arangues, there's plenty of big dog there.
Yes.
Like Pitbull, Husky, German Shepherd,
Right.
King Corso. Son to those dog. But he want to play only. Sometimes he was massed up by the big dog there. Because he want only to play. He want only to play.
Yeah. Like she come and she want, you know, long she want to just look.
Just 3 years old no.
3.
Yeah. He want only to play.
He big boy.
And you know, all the puppies are very good, and I gave them. But somebody told me, why you give the puppy? You can
Oh,
sell
you
the
give
puppy.
away puppies?
Yeah,
Why?
I don't know before.
Oh God, boy. You're not to give
The-
them away.
The
No.
the mom is Belgian Malinois,
Right.
and the puppy is very good. But somebody told
Gosh.
me, if you have puppy, you can sell it even 1,000 to get back the money you spent from their food.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct. This
Yeah.
is my mama.
Yeah.
But-
Troy,
Give me
I live there.
right here.
In the big house, eh?
yeah.
Yeah.
You know, when my car is okay, every time I bring him in Sabana, he ride inside the Sabana. Even when I go to my work,
You want to go?
yeah, no, I am an engineer, so I tie him on the garage,
Yeah.
and people like him.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
right now, I'm just riding in a bus.
Should be. Yeah, you realize, boy. What's that? He's scary.
Like
Big.
a bear.
Yeah, you realize.
Yeah,
He's big.
you can't hear even one bark, nothing. That's why I stopped bringing him in Sabana, because the big, if he saw the big dog there, he ran and he want to play only, and he was massed up by the pit bull. Okay, Troy. Tay-
Hey, Papa.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
Nice, boy.
Go. So that's all for today, Troy. That's enough. We will do it again tomorrow. It's Chloe's time now. Come inside. Yeah. Here. Go. Get inside. So dito na kami, Troy. Babalik na kami rito ni Troy sa kanyang lungga. Ayan si Troy. Dito guys yung ano ko. Si Troy na mamalagi. Yan. Yung kulungan nila dati kasama yung nanay niya na si Tegra. Kaso lang namatay. So that's all for today, guys. Please support my YouTube channel, Shadow TNT, for more adventure and exploration right here in Trinidad and Tobago, and more exciting videos. Once again, thank you and God bless.